Every single day, thousands of trees from forests just like this one begin a journey most people never think about.
From raw timber to the roll in your bathroom, this is a $100 billion process. And it all...
Toilet paper. You use it every single day. But have you ever actually wondered what it takes to make it?
Welcome to one of the most advanced toilet paper factories in the United States.
The average American goes through 141 rolls every single year. That adds up to a global industry worth over $100 billion.
And all of it, every single roll, starts right here.
It begins here, in managed tree plantations across the Pacific Northwest, where softwood is grown specifically for paper production.
This is an 8-ton timber harvester. It can fell, strip, and cut a full-grown tree in under 60 seconds.
In less than a minute, this machine will fell, strip, and buck an entire tree, ready for transport.
An onboard computer measures every single cut, each log exactly 8 feet down to the inch. A log forwarder collects the cut timber, loading 30 tons at a time, and carries it straight to the road.
Before the sun comes up, these trucks will carry over 30 tons of timber each, straight to the paper mill.
This is where the transformation begins. From this point forward, those raw logs will never look the same again.
At the mill, hydraulic cranes unload every truck in minutes. Each lift, 20 tons of raw timber.
The log yard holds thousands of tons of raw timber, sorted by species and size, kept under constant sprinklers to preserve the wood quality. High-pressure water jets blast away any remaining dirt, sand, and stone, because even a small pebble could destroy a chipper blade.
Every single log passes through a metal detector. Embedded nails, old fence wire, anything that could shatter a chipper blade gets caught right here.
This is the chipper, a spinning disc of carbide blades, turning entire logs into chips in seconds. The chips flow continuously, building stockpiles 40 feet high. This mountain of wood will soon become the paper you use every day.
Six stories tall, pressurized to 200 degrees, this is the digester, the machine that turns wood chips into pulp. Every temperature, every pressure reading, monitored in real time. 1 degree off, and the entire batch is compromised. Inside the digester, chemicals break down the lignin that holds wood fibers together. At 170 degrees, when the cook is complete, the pulp is blown out under extreme pressure. Tons of hot fiber.
Washing screens separate the dark liquor, that's the dissolved lignin and spent chemicals, from the clean fibers. Stage by stage, the pulp gets lighter.
Bleaching happens in stages, chemical after chemical, breaking down any remaining color until what started as a dark
Before and after, the same wood fiber completely transformed by chemistry, from dark pulp to pure white cellulose.
Spinning disc refiners brush each fiber, creating a microscope of structures that help fibers bond during paper.
Towering storage vessels hold thousands of gallons of refined pulp. These tanks are the buffer that keeps the
Millions of pounds of recovered paper arrive daily from homes and businesses. These towering bales represent.
Infrared sensors scan every piece at lightning speed, identifying plastic, metal, and contaminants.
before and after. Dark, ink-contaminated fiber becomes pristine white pulp. Recycled pulp uses 70% less energy and 50% less water than virgin fiber.
120 meters of precision manufacturing. This is where pulp becomes toilet paper.
99.5% water, 0.5% fiber. Precision distribution begins.
Thousands of gallons drain away every minute.
60 miles per hour. The fragile web transfers to felt blankets. Tons of pressure. Water forced out. The web strengthens. Eight feet of polished steel. 200 degrees Celsius. The Yankee dryer. Wet becomes dry in seconds. Steam carries moisture away. 5-ton rolls accumulate in real time. 5 tons lifted. Production never stops. 1 mile per minute. 100 football fields every single hour.
Meters of converting equipment. Parent reels become toilet paper rolls right here.
2 plies become 1. Perfect alignment at high speed. This is where strength and softness unite in every sheet. Thousands of tiny impressions pressed into every inch. Embossing creates texture that you can see and feel with every touch.
8,000 pixels revealing microscopic perfection. This is engineered softness at the molecular level.
Precision adhesive bonds plies permanently. No separation, no tearing apart. Engineered to stay together. Razor-sharp precision. Every roll exactly 4.5 inches wide. Industrial accuracy meets consumer standards. Perfect timing. Every cardboard core arrives exactly when the machine needs it. Hundreds of sheets per second wrapping around cores. This is where flat tissue becomes the roll you recognize.
Log rolls containing 12 individual rolls. Continuous production flowing toward the cutting blade.
Precision cuts every 4 inches. One log becomes 12 perfect rolls in seconds. High-speed separation with surgical accuracy.
An army of fresh rolls streaming toward packaging. 2,000 rolls per minute. This is industrial scale production.
One tiny dot of adhesive keeps every roll together. No loose ends, no unraveling.
Every 30 minutes, samples are pulled. Every roll must pass the test. Quality control never stops watching.
Strength testing reveals the truth.
Every sample must withstand precise force measurements. Science proves durability. Accuracy to 1,000th of a millimeter. Every sheet must match exactly.
Softness isn't just a feeling anymore. Machines measure what your fingers detect. Engineered comfort, scientifically proven.
Absorption speed measured in seconds. Fast uptake, complete saturation. Performance testing proves it works when needed.
Artificial intelligence inspects every single roll. Cameras see defects invisible to human eyes. Machine learning perfected quality control at production speed.
Defects don't make it through. Automated rejection in milliseconds. Only perfection continues forward. 5 to 7% moisture. Too dry breaks, too wet breeds mold. Perfect balance tested and confirmed. 120 rolls per minute entering the wrapper. Organized chaos becomes efficient packaging flow.
Automated guides organize individual rolls into perfect pack formations. 4, 6, 12, 24 roll packages taking shape.
Suction cups open the bag. Automated precision dresses the package. Brand presentation happens at machine speed. Heat seared through temperature.
Every package marked in milliseconds. Batch numbers, expiry dates, barcodes. Complete traceability from factory to shelf. Retail-ready packages flowing to shipping. The journey from pulp to product nearly complete.
Robots transform flat cardboard into sturdy shipping cases. 30 cases per minute, perfectly formed.
Robotic power meets mathematical precision. 5-layer high stacks, perfectly square.
Film locks the load tight. Nothing shifts in transit.
Millions of rolls waiting. Weeks of production ready to ship nationwide. Dawn breaks. The distribution network awakens nationwide. The journey begins. Destination: America's stores. Barcodes direct every case. Automated intelligence routes products to exact stores. Barcodes direct every case. Automated intelligence routes products to exact stores. Journey's end. Your local store receiving dock.
Another pallet of toilet paper coming up. Okay, I have these 3 scanned. Ready for the next ones?
Every package faced forward. Retail perfection ready for morning.
Fully stocked. Perfectly merchandised. The aisle every American knows by heart. The choice is made. Months of manufacturing culminate in one simple purchase. Beep! Transaction complete. The journey ends here. Journey complete. From forest to fixture. Purpose fulfilled in your home.